To do a two-step, stand facing your dance partner with your arms at your sides. Both of you should keep your back straight and your head up. Close the gap between you and your partner so that you're about 6 inches, 15 centimeters apart. Stand on the balls of your feet with your legs slightly offset from your partner's. Put your right arm behind your partner's back and over their left shoulder. Your hand should be gently wrapped around their shoulder. With your left hand, grasp your partner's hand at the wrist and hold it out to the side at eye level. Either of you can take the lead. Move in time to the music in a counterclockwise direction around the outside of the dance floor. Complete a full sequence of steps and twirls, then turn 180 degrees. Push your partner's arm down as you turn, then let go as you complete your new position. Take 2 slow steps with your other foot, then 2 quick steps with your partner's foot to complete the dance.